Hello and welcome to our next innovaphone myApps tutorial. In today's video, we will be introducing our Fax app. Learn how to send and receive faxes and how to conveniently forward faxes in PDF format to your email inbox. Use the Fax app to send PDF documents to national and international fax recipients and to receive faxes in form of PDF documents. With the Fax2Mail function, you can also have your faxes sent to the inbox of your email address. So, please go ahead and open the Fax app. Below the search field on the left, all contacts are listed that previously either sent or received faxes. With the search field, you can either enter a fax number directly, or you can search for all available contacts with a fax number. In order to send a fax, please select the respective contact or the entered fax number from the list. Right next to the contact, you can add a new document with +New Document. Go ahead and select the PDF you would like to send. The document will be added to the list. By clicking on the trash bin next to the PDF document, you can delete the document from the list again. Click on the little paper plane below to send the fax. The fax will be placed in a waiting queue. Once it has been sent, this will be indicated with the date and time under the category Sent. Once you receive a new fax, this will be indicated with a badge count on the icon of the Fax app. It will further be indicated directly in the Fax app at the respective contact. When you click on the contact, you will see the history on the right side. The most recent document will be at the top of the list. Displayed is the date and the number of pages. You can download the fax in form of a PDF document or delete it. The green plane symbol indicates outbound faxes, while the blue filing box indicates inbound faxes. You can click on the small preview image of the received or sent fax, and a larger preview of the PDF will pop up on the right-hand side. Please note that the window of the Fax app needs to be large enough. If you would like to have your faxes redirected to your email account, please use the hamburger menu at the top right of the app. All email addresses of the user that have been set up by the admin are listed here. You can either activate an email notification only for incoming faxes, or the fax can be sent to your email address in PDF format. This function helps with the processing of fax documents. The admin can also set up fax groups for select users. In this case, for example, all staff members of one specific department will receive access to faxes sent to this group. Please visit our website, our YouTube channel, or the Tutorials app in myApps to view more tutorials. Many thanks for watching and see you again next time.